Papa Bear in the suit, Wall Street goals. Teaching young cubs how to play the role. Market watch, stacking shutter. Noob with the knowledge nobody.
All right, welcome back to episode 5 of Noob's Noobs. We have more earnings trades on, and we're going to place our orders. The market opens in 6 minutes. Abraham, is this your account that's up that we're looking at? Yes. Okay, go into your earnings trades. You put on ARM and Crocs. It looks like ARM is down. Click on ARM. Hello? I'm looking at Jaden. Okay, let's go to yours. Go ahead and click on ARM. Click both of those contracts. You have the short 115. That's still $12.50 away. Okay, click them both. Did you click them both? Did you click them?
Jaden. What?
No, I was looking at yours, Abraham. Or Jaden. It doesn't matter. Whose screen am I looking at? Abraham, click both of your contracts. There you go. Yep, close selected. Quickly here. Put in there 15 cents because I think that's buy the strangleback. Put in there 15 cents. Jaden, you go to ARM. Do the same thing. Close it. Put in 10 cents for yours because you have the 110 put.
10 cents?
Yep, 10 cents in there. Okay. Abraham, which expiration do you have? Okay, you still have go to Western Digital, Abraham. This one, I would put in 20 cents for that because did you just get filled? Who just got filled? Why did I? Yeah, put in 20 cents. For Crocs, let me go to your account. This is going to be a nice winner. You had like a perfect move in here. You're already up almost $40 in the position. So close it and again put in 20 cents on this one. Buy this back for 20 cents. It should be worth practically nothing. Okay, and then is that the last one for you, Jaden? Why is that giving you a ding? Hey, put your headphones in. Your headphones are not in. Every time you submit something, it's giving a ding like you got filled. All right. Buddy, get off your phone. We have 3 minutes for you to get your closing orders in. You have a screen pulled up? I think it's the one that ends in 314 towards the bottom. Yep. Got it? All right, bud. So you have Qualcomm as an earnings trade. Go ahead and you see the Qualcomm right there, bud? Yep. Click the little box. See the little boxes right before your contracts? Click them. Both of them. And hit close selected. Buy the strangle right there where it says buy strangle. You got 2 minutes. And you have that on for like 80 cents. So put in 20 cents in there. See if you get filled. I doubt you will right away. 0.25 or 20. There you go. 25 cents. Review. Send that. I think that was your only earnings trade, right? Disney, Qualcomm, Lyft, Rumble. Okay, Tesla. Yep, that's your only earnings trade. So go back to your brother's account now. Or actually, he's not even here. So Abraham, open up your order screen so you can adjust your prices after the market opens. It opens in 1 minute. And you open up your order screen too, Eli. So go up to those 3 little, yep. And then go to orders. when that opens, you see you're gonna. We really need to get this fixed so you can see what your orders are working. All right, so go back to your, yeah, go back to your positions tab. Positions, yep. All right, the market is gonna open in 1 minute. Actually, it opens in 24 seconds. Honey, go lay down. Do you understand why we put that order in? Huh? No? Can you sit your chair up any higher? We put that order in so it's already working. So instead of having to do all that before the market, as soon as these option chains open here, all right. So we're going to go back into yours. It looks like yours is marking for around 50 cents. Somebody got filled in something. All right. Go back into your orders thing now, bud. Orders. Yep. Once this pops up, you're going to click on your order and you're going to hit cancel replace on it, and you're going to adjust the price to bring it down. Yep. Click on. Why is it so slow? Yours is always so slow. Click your orders thing again.
I'll try to raise prices.
Yeah, take your prices up if you're not getting filled instantly. Just do it gradually though. You should be seeing what it's marking at.
Like 1.3.
Hang on 1 second. Let me wait till I get in there. All right. Adjust your order, Eli. Go ahead and click it. Click it right here. Right where it says working. Click right where it says working. Yep, and then hit cancel replace. And then click to see that lock thing. You see the lock thing? No, up the lock thing right to the left of your price. Unlock it. Yep, now hit review and send that. Send that. See, there you go. You're filled. All right. Abraham is marking at 60 cents for the Western Digital. Just leave that for now. The other one's marking at 26 cents. Go ahead and move your arm strangle up to 26 cents. Get back into your brother's account there, bud. All right, you're out of that. Hang on 1 second. I'll do it for you.
Is eating that thing again?
Yeah, of course she is. Brother's account. Yeah, I believe it's this one. You're out of your earnings trade, bud, and you made a decent amount of money. How much did you sell this contract for, Abraham, in Western Digital? Because it's market. You're not gonna be able to see in here. You're gonna have to go to your positions tab. Western Digital, open her up. Oh, you're back. Scroll to the right a little bit. It'll tell you what you sold it for. Trade price. Oh, you're out of it. Why is it not? No, you have to open it. No. Nope, you're not out of it. Go open it back up. Open that position up. There you go. Sold it for 78 cents. So you can get out now for a little profit, or you can let it sit longer. I would get out since this stock is going down. I would just get out. If you can get out for, yep, get out of that for 47 cents. Absolutely.
47, you said?
Yeah, that's what it's marking at. Just go ahead and get out of it for 50. Put 50 in there. Review. That'll make a 27-cent profit. You're out. Looks like you got filled for, I don't know what you got filled for. You can look and check and see. Maybe you got price improved on that. All right, so now you made another $100 this morning. All right, Jaden, get your account up. Let's look at ARM. I don't know what it's marking at, bud. Hit cancel replace. Is this a strangle and arm?
Yeah.
Cancel replace. And now undo that little lock thing to the left of your price. Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
It can't be unlocked. It says it's marking at 10 cents. So take it up to 11. There you go. Now it's review and send. Send it. You're still not filled, so click it again and mark it. Tick it up a couple pennies, like 2 cents. As soon as that, click it. Oh, sounds like you just got filled. Try and hit cancel replace. See if it'll let you. If the order's already filled, it'll give you an error that says buy strangle. Yep, you're already filled. You can't. All right. So go back to your positions tab. You need to move your camera back down, dude. Now your head is barely poking up. Go to your positions tab. Yeah, go to your positions tab. No, it's not too much. No, it's not. Trust me. Okay. Because what you see on your camera, huh? What you see on your camera is not the same thing that I have cropped out on mine. Go to your positions tab. All right. Well, while you fool around with that, we're going to go back over to Abraham, and we have more earnings coming out. Is yours finally done? We have more earnings coming out tonight. Let me get Earnings Whisper up. Earnings Whisper. Let's get this over here. Earnings Whisper tonight after the close. Today is Thursday, the 1st, I believe. Yes, Thursday. Can you see that? So we have Amazon after the close, Apple after the close, Coinbase, Intel, Roku, DraftKings, Block, which is Square. Man, we have a Marathon Digital, another mining company, crypto mining. Bookings.com, ExxonMobil, Chevron. Dear, there's all kinds of good stuff in here to trade. First of all, we never quoted the market. So, Jaden, we're on your watch list. Scroll up to the futures, see what the futures are doing. Let's get this market quoted so we know where we're sitting. Are you all the way up? All right. So, on open this morning, looks like we're up 25 in the S&Ps. We're up 12 in the NASDAQ. Russell's up 3 points, and the Dow is up 200. So, it looks like the S&Ps and the Dow are the strongest of the group. NASDAQ is just a smidge higher, and the Russell also a smidge higher. Not a terrible opening. Everything looks hunky-dory. Volatility futures are down slightly, which is to be expected. But all in all, pretty small move. Nothing too crazy going on. Alrighty. So now, with those other companies in mind that I just read off, let me get them back up here. What are we thinking? Apple, you're looking at a $220 stock. Amazon, you're looking at like a $170 stock. Intel's a $30 and some change stock, like maybe between $30 and $31. Coinbase, I haven't traded that in a little bit. I'm not exactly sure what it's at. It's probably close to 200, maybe a little less. DraftKings, I think, is around $37 stock. Roku's about $58. A Block, last I traded that was around 60s. So Block, Roku, and Intel are going to be the cheapest of that group, along with Marathon. So add some of them to your watch lists right now. Marathon is MARA. Intel is INTC. You already have Amazon on there. Roku, ROKU. I think you guys already have that on there. DraftKings, DKNG is the ticker for DraftKings. DKNG. Are you adding them? Yeah, your computer. You need to figure out what's going on in the background that's using all of your CPU. There's got to be something. Don't figure it out right now, dude. After this. And then Block is SQ.
Roku, just Roku.
Roku, just Roku. Yep. ROKU. Abraham, do you have those added?
Wait, which one?
Mara, MARASQROKU, Square, SQ. DraftKings, Intel. You can add coin in there too. COIN, coin for Coinbase. And then INTC is Intel. You got all them?
I already have Intel.
All right. So what do you want to look at first?
Amazon.
What's that?
Amazon.
Okay, go into Amazon. Okay, go. What do we got? We have $180 stock with a 12-point expected move, less than a 10% expected move, relatively high IV percentile, not a crazy volatile stock, 42% raw implied volatility. Really, this expected move for this particular product, under a 10% expected move. Don't love that right off the bat. See what you got in here as far as pricing in the 1-day contract. Go ahead, open her up. Get up there to the at the money. 175, you're looking at being able to take in $1. 170, you're looking at 78 cents, and then we'll go to 165. 165 is $24 away from the current stock price, which is 2 times the expected move, but there's no juice out there. I mean, you can sell that for 40 cents, but not a lot of juice. Then go to the upside. Go $20 higher, which would put you at 210, 50 cents up there. You could do something in here like the 210, 167, or the 210, 170. Go ahead and click on the 210. 170. Next. Gives you $129. Hit review. Capital's probably $1,500. $1,900. I think we can probably find better things that are going to be cheaper capital with maybe better opportunity. That's not terrible, but let's see if we can find something that doesn't take up as much capital. Go to Roku. This is a relatively beat up stock here as of late. So I don't mind selling just a put in here. Go to the, yep. So look at this. You have a $7 and change expected move on a $57 stock. So over 10% right off the bat, or better expected move, higher volatility, higher IV percentile, setting up to be a better candidate. Look at the 50 on the put side. I like that. Sell that. See what that costs in capital to sell the 50. Go ahead, hit review. You'd be selling it for like 85 cents or 83 cents. It's also, you're selling into a down day, $500 in capital. Perfect. So you're taking in nearly as. Why did that hit rejected? Your day trading account is restricted. What the heck? Go to help. You didn't do any day trades. Go to help. Chat, support with chat. Type in there general support. Type in there, my account is restricted. Why? And then a question mark, and then question mark. Can I get unrestricted, please? All right, so while you're doing that, Jaden, I would recommend you probably sell that same one. So let's get under your account that's not restricted. I think this account was at one point a pattern day trading account, and when I set it up for you guys's when I set it up for you guys to trade in it, because I don't now have over 25,000 in there, it might be just because of that. But I don't think you put on any day trades, so you shouldn't have gotten restricted. Anyway, Jaden, is this your account? Go ahead and Roku, open up Roku, please.
Type it in again.
Why?
Type the messages in. It's like,
Hello, thank you for joining. My name is Sean. I will be with you, helping you today. Which account are you looking at? You need to tell them the one that it ends in whatever your account number ends in. Give them the last whatever digits, the one that ends in whatever. Okay, so we were looking at selling the 50, Jaden. That would be the 40. So you could sell the 50, or you could really even sell the 48 if you want to collect less, but I don't mind the 50. So try and sell that for 70. Try and sell that for 80 cents. See if you can sell it for 80 cents.
just that.
Yep. This stock is really beat up. We don't want to be selling. If this thing rips to the upside, we don't want to be standing in front of that. There you go. Review that and send it. Did you tell him which account, Abraham? $500 in capital. Go ahead, put it on. And you're instantly filled. You probably should have put a higher price in there. Okay. Let's get you in a position in Square. That's another one. SQ right there. Yeah, coin's a $200 stock. We don't want to be trading. We'll look at it, but what is the expected move in here? Again, $7 over 10% expected move in Square, 77% IV percentile, 72% raw implied volatility. Again, this is another one that's not necessarily as beat up as Roku, but I'd be looking at $10 away from the stock price, which is 1.5 times the expected move. So yeah, maybe that 54. That's $9 away. I like that. Go ahead and sell that for 55 cents.
That's it.
What's that? Nah, I wouldn't be. I mean, you can, but I wouldn't. It's up to you. If you want to sell something on the upside, you can. Did he say anything back?
No.
Did you tell him which account?
The count is day trade minimum equity restricted 0.5 plus PDT without exceeding 25K. You are set to be closing only trading until you close up 20,000. We can submit a request to move the PDT. Should I send that?
Say yes, please. What do you say? We can submit a what?
Request to remove the PDT designation as a one-time courtesy.
Say yes, please. Say yes, please remove the PDT. Because we haven't. This account has had the same amount in it the entire time we've been trading with you. How much is it? 540. Yep. Go ahead. Did you mark?
Remove the PDT, please remove PDT.
Yes. Okay. What other ones were on there? Intel, bud. Get Intel up. This is another stock that's at the lower end of its price range, around this $30, where Intel has been bouncing for like, I don't know, 17 different times. So this is another one where I would only be selling the puts on this. See what you can get selling the 29s. Oh dear, not much at all. What's the expected move in here?
250.
250. This puts you right at the expected move, less than. Yeah, sell the 29s. Worst case scenario, you take stock. This expires tomorrow, so yep, sell that for 60 cents.
No, the courtesy photo is let's be fine.
$450. Yep. Did you get filled? Doesn't look like it. It's still working. Yeah. They're not even going to fill you. What'd you put it in for? 60 cents?
Yeah.
Go ahead and mark it
Yes.
down to 59. What did he say?
You're allowed a courtesy flag removal on his account to let the PD flag overnight. Please read the response. Following this request can be submitted for approval. Please note that by requesting the flag removed, you are attesting that you are not a pattern day trader. If your future activity will consist of patterns day trading.
Yeah, say yes.
What is day trading?
It's when you enter, a day trade is when you enter and you exit. Never mind, you already got filled. You enter and you exit a position, open and close a position in the same day. I heard a ding. Did you get filled?
How does that matter?
Because there's a rule, the FTC has a rule that says that in order to do that, you have to maintain an equity balance of $25,000 in your account on the open for that day. So I think that means you're not going to be able to put on any trades today.
It says thank you for submitting your request processing. Do you have any other questions?
That's ridiculous.
Well, Eli. Yeah.
You're up because he can't trade today because he's got a PDT flag on his thing. But we haven't placed a single day trade. I don't know how you got flagged. We must have accidentally got you in and out of the same position. Oh, I did yesterday for you. You put on a position in ARM or in... No, it wasn't ARM. It was the other one. Qualcomm. Your Qualcomm position, remember I texted you guys about it? I took it off because it was such a big winner in one day.
Then why is my account not?
Because yours was never set. Yours never had 25 in it and set up as a PDT account.
Wait, mine had demo? Wait, so if you put in that much...
If you put in that much and you trade in and out on the same... Well, it doesn't matter. If you trade in and out on the same day, open and close a position on the same day, that's considered a day trade. If you don't have $25,000 in your account, you can only do 3 day trades in a 5-day period, in a week period. After that, you'll be restricted unless you have 25 in your account. Then you get designated as a pattern day trading account, but it doesn't matter as long as you keep over 25,000 in there. You can day trade as many times as you want. That's just how the rule is. It's stupid. So you made $200 today, Jaden. Okay.
I only did it once.
But you were already designated as a PDT account. So if you're already designated as a PDT account and your account, yes, if your account already is designated and you go under the 25,000 equity in the account, which when I set you guys up with 10,000 each, I took money out of that account, must have been to do that. So that kept the designation but didn't have the funds. So the first time that you made a pattern day trade or a day trade, that flagged the account. All right, so you can go set up on his over there.
I have it pulled up.
You have his account pulled up already?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So you see now the stock price is what? No, look up top in the top left-hand corner. Where's the stock price at? 58.27. It's currently trading at 58.27. You got to speak up, bud. Okay, so we're going to go to the 1-day expiration. Yep, expires in 1 day. And then we're going to scroll up to the 50 strike. And this is what your brother did. He just sold the 50 strike. 50. Yep, click the 50. Sorry, you're not. Click on the bid. The bid. That's the ask. Click the bid. Yep. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and hit next. And tick this up to, nope. Tick that up to 80 cents at least. Go 79. Because this thing just rallied 20 cents. Go ahead and hit review. Send this. $500 in capital. All right, you did not get filled. So go back to your working orders. Orders, ticket down to 3 cents. Click on it. Cancel, replace, ticket down 3 cents. Go ahead, hit send review, send. There you go. Now you're filled, 77 cents. Okay. Go to, I think we put one in Intel, INTC. So go ahead to the search. Intel's right there. Third down on your list, bud. And for this one, go ahead and we'll sell the, because this is not an expensive one to trade either. Your brother sold that 29 strike put, but why don't you go out into August and see what you can get for selling puts in August? So collapse this. Go to the August 5th, so 15 days from now, this August monthly expiration. What is the 29 out in August? So sell the 28 in August. That'll give you 53 cents. Get you a little further away from the price. You can do that for 53 cents. So go next. Gives you an extra $1 away from the current stock price. 53 cents. Go ahead and review. Yep, that's good. No, because it's a penny, so it doesn't really matter. So that's only costing you $350 in capital, and you're filled. Perfect. Okay, get out of here. Then go to, what do we already do? Square. Yep, SQ. I guess technically it's called block, but I always call it square. Same thing here. Let's go out in the August expiration, see how far we can get away. Selling a cheapo put at that 50 strike gives you what? Nope, you were in the right expiration, bud. It's currently trading 63, so go down to 53 and sell the 53 strike put in here. That gives you $10 of price move, and you can probably do that for 85 cents, maybe. It looks like 80. Try 83 cents. Tick that up 3 pennies. Okay. Yep. Didn't get filled, so you're gonna have to take it down a few cents. You're learning your way around here. Take it down to 82, see if you get filled there. View, sender. Perfect, you got filled. Did your square not get? Okay, yeah, it did. All right. So now you have 3 earnings trades on. They're all bullish positions. So we'll take a look at Apple, Coin, and we already looked at Amazon. So look at Apple and Coin. Those are the ones that we didn't look at yet. AAPL. Okay. This is what? $223 stock, 224. Go to the, we got a $9 move and a $200. Go back up, bud. We have good implied volatility percentile in here. However, the raw implied volatility in here, not very great. That's reflected in a $9 move on a $200 stock. So this is basically less than a 5% expected move. Right off the bat, that means we're probably not trading this. So scroll up to around the $225 strike. See, look at that. We're already at the 195 and it's only giving you 50. Yeah, there you go. That's good. See, it's only giving you 50 cents in credit to sell that 200. The expected move is $12. So that's 2 times away from the expected move and you're only getting 50 cents. It's probably going to cost you close to $1,800 or $1,900 in capital to make 50 cents. Don't love it. and it's a higher price stock. So I say we pass on this one. Try Coin, COIN. So this one is a much more volatile stock to begin with. 87% raw implied volatility. The IV percentile is not as high because this thing has been volatile throughout the year. So we're not as in a high of a place. This one, we might be able to get something on. What's the expected move in here? $36 in the August expiration. Okay. $37. Okay, so let's go $70 away to the upside and see what we can get. Scroll up. If this, that would put us at 300 on the calls. Scroll, keep going. 300 calls are trading for 70, 80. Go ahead and click that 300. This thing takes a lot of capital to trade, if I recall correctly. No, bud. We're on the out of the money side. Those are puts that you were clicking on. We're on the calls. Yep. And then go down now to the puts. The other way, sorry. Back up to the puts. More. There we go. What is stop? This is trading 226, so the $70 to the downside would put us at around 150. Is there any juice in the 150s? Not really. So look at the 170. That would put us, what does that put us? $55 away. So that's outside of the expected move by about 1.5 times. So look at that 170 strike and sell that 170. Go ahead next. What is the capital required to do this? I think this is going to be really expensive to trade naked, especially. $178 credit. Hit review and see what the capital is going to be. Yeah, 170. That's fine. Hit review. Oh, you sent it. Okay. You didn't get filled, but it only required $2,000 in capital. I don't hate that. So, yeah, go ahead and tick it down to 175. If you get filled there, perfect. If not, just let it sit. Go ahead, send it. All right, just let it sit there at 175. You may or may not get filled in it. Do we want to? Nah, just let it sit. You may or may not get filled in it. If you do, great. If you don't, that's fine too. We're not going to chase it. Jaden, did you want to try and trade Coinbase too? This one, it looks like you can get pretty far away from the. You can get $75 away on one side and $50 away on the other side. Do you want to try to trade it or no? You have to speak up, dude. Yeah, again, you still have to speak up. Go ahead and look at it. Are you? How do you what, Eli? Your screen went away? I'm looking at his account, so I don't know what you did. Did you close it out? It should be on the bottom, show up as blue stacks. So in here, we sold the 170. We did the August expiration though. So if you're doing the 1 day, you would probably be looking at I don't know if there's enough juice that you can get comfortably far enough away in the 1 day. That's $30 away, but this stock could very easily move $30 on earnings. Just telling you, this stock moves.
Well, I'm just not trading. I have quite a few trades on.
Okay, you don't have to trade it. Look at your Google position. That's up. You've made $67 in that since we put that on. I think it's probably time to look at maybe taking that off because that was supposed to be an earnings trade. You finally made some money in there. I would close that whole thing. Hit close. You're probably going to have to do it in 2 separate closes. So first, just buy back that put. You could have. Nope, that's a call. Close that, buy it back for 107. Yep. Mid price was 107. All right, you're out of it. And then close that. You're probably going to have to buy that back for 1 or 2 cents. Close. The vertical, yep. Try it for 1 cent. If you can get out of it for 1 cent, you should, but I doubt you'll be able to get out of it for 1 cent. Yeah, you're going to have to take it up to 2 cents. So the reason we have to do this on a spread like this that's basically worthless is because nobody wants to take that $1,000 in risk for 1 cent. So you got to incentivize them a little bit because they're taking the other side of your trade. So in order to incentivize them, you got to pay them a little bit more than it's actually worth in order to get somebody to step in and take $1,000 in risk in order to make 1 cent or $1 for $1,000. And that's really the only reason you're able to get filled in something like that is because there are things called market makers that provide liquidity, meaning taking the other side of your trade. As you're still thinking. You still didn't get filled for 2 cents. Well, so take it up to 3. Just get out of this daggum thing. You're giving away $3 of profit, but it's better than keeping that risk on there. There's no point in risking $1,000 to make an extra 2 cents. Yep. There you go. Now you're out. All right, you have 3 trades on. Did you want to try and put anything on in coin? You didn't want to put anything on in coin? What were the other ones? Is there anything else that... Oh, DraftKings. DKNG. Go open it up on his computer so you don't take forever. And you got to speak up, man. Yeah, his mic is... The stand is broken. He needs a new mic stand. It's pretty much broken in every possible place. Every place there's an actual hinge on that mic stand. I don't know how he did it, but it's broken at the top, it's broken at the hinge, and it's broken at the bottom. In all 3 places that there is a joint or a connection, it's broken in every single place. All right, are you good? You're not sure what? If you're in the right account? Yeah. Go to DraftKings, DKNG. What did you do? You clicked the wrong thing. Okay. DKNG. Did you add it to your... Oh, there you did. All right. So we're looking at a $37 stock. IV percentile is 68, so it's elevated. Raw implied volatility, again, 68. It's $36 or $37 stock with a 10% expected move. Not great, but not terrible. So in here, look at the chart on this. Look at the overview. Let's take a look at the chart. Ooh. Over the last 3 years, this thing's kind of gotten a little destroyed. It's bounced back from all the way down at $12. It bottomed, it looks like around $12 a share. I would be looking to see if you could be coming in around that $30 level and maybe looking at selling out in September. Giving yourself some more time. Dude, what are you doing? You having like hand spasms over there? All right. $30, that would give you 50 cents in September, or maybe even the 31. That gives you a little bit more juice. Look at the, yeah, look at the 31, and then we'll sell the other side on this too. Go up more. 45, 46, 40. Look at that 47. That's 50. So that's $10 away, which is over 2 times the expected move for the earnings move. But what's the expected move in the 50-day cycle? $6. So this is 1.5 times expected move. Yeah, $10 away. Don't hate it. Go ahead and hit see what this costs in capital. I'm imagining, because we're so far away, it's not going to be crazy expensive. $130 in credit. Capital required to put this on is $370. I like this. Gives you some more, because all of the trades we did today were really cheap, so you're not using a ton of capital, and we just took your Google off, so you got capital freed up. I like this. I would go ahead and send it. And you're not filled. This one I would probably take it down just to get into this one, because I like this trade. Cancel, replace, take her down to 128 or 127. I would probably try 128 first, but that's up to you. Bada bing, you should be filled now. Seriously? You're getting robbed. All right. Take it 1 cent more. It's marking at 130. What causes that? You remember?
A wide market.
A wide market, yes. Still not filled. All right. Take it down 1 more cent and just leave it on for the day. You either get filled or you don't. We're not going to chase it any more than that. Ridiculous. Good grief. All right. What do we got going on in your positions now? You still have $8,000 available in capital to trade, so your capital being used is perfect. Your Crocs positions, you made $135 in that Crocs trade. Excellent. ARM, you made $85 in. Is that one that's closed out, right? So yeah, you made $200 in earnings trades. You're up to $550 in profit in your account in a week and a half. We made enough that we can buy another computer now and get that final computer set up. I think that's the show, folks. That was a short episode. Thank you for joining. That was Noob'sNoobs episode 5, and we covered unfortunately we covered pattern day trading rules because we got a pattern day trading flag, so Abraham's account won't be back up until tomorrow. So he didn't get to place any earnings trades because his account is restricted, set to closing only, but that'll be removed tomorrow, and we'll be back at it with all 3 boys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and
teaching young
peace.
cubs how to play the role. Market watch, stack and shutter. Noob with the knowledge, nobody does it better. Options gain tight calls and puts. Stocks flipping quicker than they flipping the goods. E-trade dashboard, money to print. Boys learning well, following the blueprint. Noobs in the game, making gains. Papa showing hustle ain't just chasing chains. Trading like gangsters, setting the reins. Teaching them the street of ball and financial domains. Bull market, bear market, riding both tides. Papa got the boys all trading with pride. Short sell, long buy, never DeFi. Family hedge fund, fortunes can't hide. IPOs popping, reading the cues. Charts full of knowledge, breaking the news. Swing trading, day trading, grooving the moves. Shout out to the fam, tuts of the trade ain't loose. Noobs in the game, making gains. Papa showing hustle ain't just chasing chains. Trading like gangsters, setting the reins. Teaching them the street of ball and financial domains.